Welcome po sa BIMS App Tutorial 03. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang Barangay Services Management tile ng BIMS App. Ang Barangay Services module ay ginawa para i-centralize ang mga frontline services ng barangay. Dito naka-organize ang mga functions related to certificate issuance, public records, community activities, barangay officials, and certification purposes. Sa main dashboard, makikita natin ang tile na Barangay Services Management. Kapag binuksan ito, dadalhin tayo sa Barangay Services screen kung saan makikita ang mga major service sections ng module. Ang first section ay Request Barangay Certificate. Ito ang ginagamit para gumawa ng official barangay certificates para sa registered residents. Sa process na ito, pipili ang user ng resident, pipili or magde-define ng purpose, i-validate ang resident information, then mag-generate ng certificate. Ang advantage nito ay mas controlled ang issuance ng documents dahil ang certificate ay based sa complete and validated resident records. Ang next section ay Archive Barangay Certificates. Dito nakastore ang mga previously generated certificates. This is important because it allows the barangay to view past certificates, print exact PDF copies, track latest and previous versions, and maintain audit-ready records. Sa ganitong paraan, hindi madaling mawala ang record ng mga na-issue na documents. Another important part is barangay activities. Ito naman ang ginagamit para mag-display ng barangay activities with photos and descriptions. Pwedeng mag-add ng activities, mag-update ng existing entries, mag-delete ng outdated entries, and generate readable captions or photo news. This helps improve transparency and public visibility ng mga barangay programs and events. Meron din tayong Manage Barangay Officials. Dito, mini-maintain ang official list ng barangay leaders and staff. The system can select officials from registered residents, assign designation and term, track incumbency status, and prevent duplicate entries. This helps keep barangay governance records accurate and updated. Another section is Manage Certification Purposes. Ito ang ginagamit para i-configure ang mga purposes na ginagamit sa certificate generation. Pwedeng mag-add ng new purpose, edit descriptions, activate or deactivate purposes, and control kung alin ang available during certificate request. This standardizes the certificate process while still allowing flexibility for new use cases. Sa right side, makikita natin ang Barangay Services Overview Help Panel. Ito ang guide ng user para maintindihan kung ano ang ginagawa ng module, ano ang available sections, and ano ang benefits ng bawat part. Behind the scenes, this module also uses important system features such as role-based access control, data validation before certificate generation, automatic photo handling, secure API integration, and CSRF protection. In summary, ang Barangay Services Management tile ay designed para gawing mas accurate, traceable, secure, and easy to use ang public-facing services ng barangay. Instead of manual processing, paper tracking, and scattered records, this module provides a structured digital workflow for daily barangay service operations. Sa future how-to tutorials, isa-isahin natin ang detailed steps tulad ng paano mag-request ng barangay certificate, paano mag-print ng archive certificate, paano mag-manage ng activities, paano mag-update ng barangay officials, and paano mag-configure ng certification purposes. For now, ito muna ang overview ng Barangay Services Management tile.